Hello guys, right, today we're going to go over a basic wrist roll, okay? So if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you. And enjoy the tutorial after my intro. Guys, I'm going to break this down the best I can. So we're going to start up on the shoulder, we're going to slash diagonally down to opposite hip. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to bring this around the back of your hand here, okay? From there, you're going to turn your hand around and grab the opposite stick and bounce this on the opposite hip. So this, in slow-mo, will look like this. Right, so guys, we're going to move on from here and bring this back around to this side of our waist. So, next of all, what we're going to do is we're going to do exactly the same as we started, but only it's going to come over by our thumb area around the front of our hand. From here now, we're going to turn our hand here, so we're grabbing the opposite stick and bring it in here. So, now you know the move. So, it looks like this in slow-mo. So I hope this does help you. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. I do this for free of charge. I don't ask for anything. Yeah, so I hope this helps you learn, and I'll see you next time. Remember to smash that notification bell to get notified when I release the latest tutorials and content. Thank you very much, guys.